Navigating your way towards diagnostics market access is challenging, but not unfeasible. Let us share with you a few simple steps on how to define, demonstrate, and capture diagnostics value. What makes diagnostic solutions so special? Diagnostics differ from drugs. Drugs may impact patient outcomes directly, but the impact of a diagnostic is often indirect. A test may tell doctors if a patient is at high risk for disease or not. This may lead to a change in the treatment pathway of the patient, therefore helping doctors channel the right resources to the right patients. One aspect we must carefully think about is the intended use of the test. This has major implications on its risk classification, regulatory aspects, clinical data requirements, and commercialization. We should aim to answer a few questions when trying to understand the value of a test. What is the risk classification of the test? Under the new IVDR, IVDs can be classed into a few risk categories. Generally, the higher the risk, the more regulatory oversight is required. As such, more stringent technical and clinical validation is needed. What is the test technology? Is it a PCR test, an immunohistochemistry test, or some other test? This may determine its position in the reimbursement list, also known as a tariff schedule. What is the function of the test? Screening, diagnosis, prognosis, or monitoring? Once you know the function of the test, you will know how it impacts patient management, which has implications on its value. In what setting is it used? Is it used in the hospital, general practitioner, or at home? The setting will determine who uses the test, which are the likely reimbursement pathways, and key stakeholders to engage. Do you want to know more? Read our short book, www.diagnostics-reimbursement-compass.com.